plantain, you know, brother.
Plantain?
So you have to try to do something with that, you know.
Alright guys, so pretty much just got in, we gotta get cracking. The hardest part about the green plantain porridge is gonna be grating it and also grating the coconut, but apart from that, it should be an easy boil.
You get it?
I got you with that,
This way.
What that?
Whew. It's on the table.
Alright, so don't have my regular cutting knife, just, you know, my outdoors knife, so just as sharp nonetheless. Just go cut up the plantains so I can pretty much grate them, and that will be that. Now when you look at these plantains, you can tell that they're still green, but maybe there's a little bit of sweetness to it because they were turning a little bit, so that might help me a little with the gratering, and at the same time add a little bit of sweetness to the porridge. Forgive my messy hands from the plantain, but I'm about to wash the strainer off a little bit in the river and also huck this coconut that Raj helped me deal with. You guys can see that? Nice fresh coconut. Raj, what are you doing over there, bro? What you doing? Clean up the fish? Yeah. Alright guys, you don't know the things that already. Teamwork make the dream work. We have to work as a team because time is against us. So let's get to cooking. Yes sir! How much fish is?
I don't think
you don't count, it's not enough.
Yeah, let's not hurry up and get it over with.
Alright, so Raj over here scaling up the fish while I am grating the coconut. Alright, so you guys can see we got the coconuts hucked and everything, so time to, yo, this coconut feels so milky. It's just so soft. And you can see the milk already. Alright, so time to wash this off and try to get as much milk as we can. Wow, look at that guys. Fresh squeezed coconut milk. That's gonna be dope. Alright, trying to separate as much as the milk as I can. Didn't bring a strainer. So what I'm gonna do from here is to cook down everything in the coconut milk. The least amount of water I can get, the best. I want rich flavors. Yeah. So this was his left back. I'm gonna try to see if I can get a little bit more milk out of it. But for now, I can basically stir this a bit and put it in the pot. Not put it in the pot, put it on the fire. So Raj had started the fire but because we were prepping, I have to catch it back. So now we have it again, and I can drop the pattern really soon. So we go work on getting these down from being these thick clumps. So I go add a bit more water to it, and I take more coconut milk for the remaining thing as well. So you can get rid of the clumps and get it more liquid. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna start pre-season up the pot, get some flavor. So in here, I don't know if you guys can see, might be a bit hard for you, but in here we have cinnamon leaf, we have a little bit of pink salt, and I don't remember this part of the nutmeg is called, but yeah, this is the thing on the nutmeg that covers the shell. Trust me, it's really good. It adds so much flavor. My grandmother used to use it. It's been a while since I've seen anybody use it. Well, my aunt does. She reminded me of it. And of course I have some grated ginger right here. Alright, add all that to the pot. For those who don't know, salt brings out flavor in. Wow. Alright, so for those who don't know, salt brings out flavor in anything. I've heard of people using salt in their coffee. Sounds crazy, but you don't know until you try. Alright, so butter in the porridge adds a nice little flavor as well. So a bit of butter. And gonna grate up some nutmeg. As you guys know, it's all about flavors. You have to keep building your flavors every chance you get. Again, coconut oil is gonna give you such a different flavor. So add a bit of coconut oil into it. And I was down to when I tasted some peanut porridge, and I could definitely taste molasses, so I'm gonna add a little bit of molasses to give a nice little flavor. But first, let me taste it because I've never quite done it before. I definitely don't want too much of that. Just a little bit. If I need more molasses, I can always add more. Yes, boy. So I'm gonna finish it off with a little bit more squeezed coconut milk, and that should be it until we add some sugar. Alright, so add a little more coconut milk to it. And then the next step is just to add some sugars to it and just make any small adjustments we might need to the flavors. Alright, so to the final phase. Add a bit of sugar. Now we taste. Could use a little bit more sugar. Wow, those are the coconut granules that I'm tasting. So good. Such a nice little vibe to the peanut porridge. Not to the plantain porridge. Such a nice little vibe. You guys at home could probably make this a little bit better if you had like a whisk to really beat the plantains around a bit more. But either way, still just as good. Wow, that's gonna be good. Trust me, guys, our porridge are going nice and rich. Alright, so Raj have been prep table over here, so plantains are gonna make it very interesting. I can see that tasting really interesting in there. Fish them fresh caught, that alone make the dish sell off already, there's no question asked. Yo, this is the highlight though. Today we'll buy oil in our bag. Only in Jamaica, so yeah. And he's going to be adding some crackers to steam it off. And yeah, it's going to be it. It's a vibe.
Smell that, bro.
Guys, just tasted some of that porridge. It's fantastic, it's so good. I think that was my second time making plantain porridge. Yeah, but with porridge is a basic concept. It's almost like making kind of like a pastry or kind of like a cake, but more of a liquid version. It's not that difficult. You guys can try the recipe at home. Tell me what you guys think about it. And yeah, you can hear the bubbling in the back. That's Raj dealing with some fish, and trust me, I can't wait for some for that too.
Yeah. Oh, one more little your time.
Alright, so you guys can see it's getting a bit late, and I had my shirt out there to dry, so it should be dry by now. I'm taking a small little walk, you know, along the beach here. Yo, it's so beautiful just being out here holding a vibe, and it's an honor to be able to create content for you guys that you guys love. So what I'm gonna do right now is just take that little walk until Roger's done cooking, and then the next clip you should see him pretty much brown stewing up the fish, and then it's time to eat.
Alright, so I'm going to add a little water now. Yeah, so I'm going to add them in now. Yeah. Kind of love to look seasoning on them. Add in now.
I'm gonna eat the whole pot. I got a calabash. There's 3 fish in here. And we're going out. Yep. Going out to the beach. Have our meal.
Boy, calabash, well, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, it's still blurry, but I'm gonna have video proof. Alright guys, so let's get into this meal. I love the fact that there's plantains in there, so it adds a bit of sweet and savory, and I can have plantain crackers. Dope. You want some? Yeah, for those who are wondering, we forgot our fork, so. I kinda wish there was more gravy.
Yeah, nobody want to add more water. Yo, I can't wait for digging on the porridge. The plantain porridge. But sorry, so we eat up all of the crackers. That's the bad, you know?
Yeah. meat on this fish is so soft. It's ridiculous.
Is it salt or soft?
Soft.
Oh. Think you can eat up that?
I think so, yeah. Good.
Is it not too much pepper, not too much salt this time?
Everything just works. The only thing that I wish for, just more gravy. Alright guys, another late evening crime scene. Fish them dead 2 times today. I go drink some juice and then yeah, we're cover them lights. So we're gonna go for the porridge pot and mat up some porridge now. Yeah? Mat. Alright, so I'm gonna bring the pot out so. Still out by the seaside, still a bit dark. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go pour out trash bowl. You see me? Alright. And then I'm gonna pour a little for myself. Alright. This is the life, yo, that man work hard on catching the fish them. You see me? Go over to your channel, give him videos some watches, you know? Not like Rolex watches, but you know, views. You see me? Alright, make a deal with it. And guys, let me tell you, the porridge are nice, full of flavor. Let's say it might have a few lumps in there because we don't have a whisk to really beat out the plantains in the right way, nor did we have a fork, but yes, sir.
Good.
Right, sir?
Yeah?
Right, sir?
Porridge bad, my own. Yeah, a long time I have on porridge bad, so brother. Yo, you have to give me some for carry on my own. I'm seeing it, but yo, I need some of that money here. Yo, no brother. Sweet.
Let's say I go for a second.
What I mean? Now porridge your body have to eat second bowl, you know, brother.
Yo guys, I wanted to take some home for Judah's dad because he loves plantain porridge.
Well, Judah dad get knocked tonight. Sir,
Yo.
porridge.
I forgot to make some at home. That money was really good. Fish was excellent, porridge great, and we still the water so. I wish you guys could see the stars. Well, they're not many, but they can't really see them. You can see that one over there. That one somewhere there. Yes, I know I let down. The vibe. Alright guys, so this is my second bowl of porridge. And Raj had a second as well, as you guys saw. So, pretty much, this is gonna be the end of it. You know, a beautiful day, yo. We work really hard. We work really hard to get the fish them today. Come in late, deal with the food and everything. If you guys just respect, you know, what the tour we are trying to do in terms of just, well, first of all, we just live our life and just enjoy ourselves every single day. But at the same time, you know, we make some films and entertain you guys. So, yeah. It was a great day, great having you guys along. Thank you for subscribing and liking the video. And yo, drop 2,000 likes on the video. Trust me. And jump over to Raj's channel as well. Remember these 3 things, guys. Love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, Keep the link. Much love.